Add broth or water, a simple guide to cooking terms for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase you might come across in cooking recipes or while watching cooking shows. Add broth or water. Understanding this simple instruction can help you become more confident in the kitchen and improve your English language skills, especially if you're passionate about cooking. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your cooking adventures. The phrase, add broth or water, is a common instruction found in recipes. It's straightforward but carries important implications for the dish you're preparing. Broth is a flavorful liquid made by simmering bones, meat, fish, vegetables, or a combination of these, often with herbs and spices. It adds not only moisture but also depth of flavor to the dish. Water, on the other hand, is a neutral liquid that adds moisture without contributing any additional flavor. When a recipe suggests you add broth or water, it's providing you with an option based on what you have available or your taste preference. If you want to enrich the dish with more flavor, go with broth. If you're looking for a lighter addition or don't have broth on hand, water is a perfectly fine substitute. Choosing broth. Use broth when you're looking to add more flavor to dishes like soups, stews, risottos, or sauces. Broth can also enhance the nutritional value of your food, adding vitamins and minerals depending on the type of broth used. Vegetable, chicken, beef, or fish broth are common types that can be matched with your dish to complement its flavors. Opting for water. Use water when you want to maintain the original flavor of the main ingredients without altering it too much. Water is also the go-to when you're cooking on a budget or need to keep your dish light and low in calories. It's a great choice for boiling pasta, rice, or vegetables when you don't want any additional flavors interfering with your dish. Measure properly. Always follow the recipe's instructions on how much liquid to add. Too much can make your dish too watery, while too little might not cook it thoroughly. Adjust as you go. Cooking is often about intuition. If you notice your dish is drying out, don't hesitate to add a little more broth or water. Just do it gradually. Consider the salt. Broths, especially store-bought ones, can be high in sodium. Adjust the amount of salt you add to your dish accordingly if you're using broth. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, add broth or water. Remember, cooking is as much about following your instincts as it is about following a recipe. Understanding simple instructions like these can make a big difference in how comfortable and creative you feel in the kitchen. We hope this video helps you on your journey to becoming not just a better English speaker, but also a more confident cook. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.